What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll know how to create an AI influencer that never misses a post, never asks for a reshoot, never complains about bad lighting, and somehow always looks camera ready? No modeling experience, no design skills, no expensive camera equipment, just AI tools, a simple workflow, and a digital character you can use for content, branding, storytelling, or future online business ideas. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one from scratch using Higsfield AI. Welcome back to On Fire Income. AI influencers are everywhere right now. They're posting on Instagram, appearing in advertisements, creating videos, and building audiences across social media. And whether you think that's exciting, terrifying, or a little bit of both, one thing is clear: the technology is getting ridiculously good. So today, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I use to create a consistent AI influencer using Higsfield AI. We're going from zero to fully built digital creator in just a few steps. By the end, you'll have a repeatable workflow for creating the face, saving the character, and generating future content that still looks like the same person. And stick around until the end, because I'll also show you several ways creators are using AI influencers as part of content and business projects. First, we need inspiration. Pinterest is perfect for this. Not because we're going to copy somebody. We're not doing that. We are not here to collect copyright complaints like they're Pokemon cards. We're here to create something original. Find a photo with a style you like. Maybe it's the outfit. Maybe it's the hairstyle. Maybe it's the overall aesthetic. Then upload that image into ChatGPT or Claude and ask, create an original character description inspired by this image without copying the person's identity. In seconds, you'll get a detailed prompt that captures the vibe while creating an entirely new character. That's exactly what we want. Now let's build our influencer. Head over to Higsfield AI. This is the platform we're using for the whole workflow today. If you want to try Higsfield and follow along with this workflow, I'll leave my link in the description. It's the same tool I'm using in this tutorial. And if creating AI influencers or AI videos is something you're serious about, this is a great place to start. Now back to building our AI influencer. Higsfield contains a model called Nano Banana Pro, which sounds less like advanced AI technology and more like something you'd order at a smoothie shop. Select Nano Banana Pro and paste in your prompt. Now here's the mistake most beginners make. They generate one image, as if they're shopping for influencers and immediately commit to the first option. Don't do that. Instead, generate around 20 images using these 5 categories: front portrait, slight left angle, slight right angle, smiling version, full body version. Generate multiple variations of each. Your goal right now isn't content. Your goal is consistency. You're building a character library. Once you've generated around 20 strong images, save your favorites. Because we're about to do the most important step in the entire process. Right now, you have 20 images, but technically, they're still just images. We need to turn them into actual characters. This is where Soul V2 comes in. And honestly, this was the moment that blew my mind when I first saw it. Open Soul V2. Create a new character. Upload your strongest reference images. Give your influencer a name. Congratulations. You are now the manager of someone who doesn't exist. And somehow that sentence makes complete sense in 2026. Soul V2 acts like a memory for your character. New outfit? Still her. Different location? Still her. Vacation photos? Still her. Launching a skincare brand from a yacht in Monaco? Still her. The face stays consistent across future generations. Nano Banana Pro creates the character. Soul V2 remembers the character. That's the system. If you're new to Higsfield, the menu can look a little intimidating, like someone spilled alphabet soup directly onto an AI dashboard. So, here's the simple version. Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 are great for creating detailed images, scenes, text, and realistic character looks. Seedream 5.0 is another powerful image model, especially when you want polished visuals with strong detail and smarter image generation. Kling 3.0, Seedance 2.0, WAN, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1 are video models you can use to bring your images and prompts to life. Soul ID is what helps keep your character looking like the same person across different scenes, outfits, and locations. So think of it like this. Nano Banana and Seedream help create the look. Soul ID helps keep the identity consistent, and the video models help turn that character into motion. That's it. Screenshot that, write it down, tattoo it on your chest. Actually, don't do that. A screenshot is definitely easier. Now let's talk about what people are actually doing with AI influencers. Some creators use them for social media content. Others use them for storytelling projects. Some use them in marketing campaigns. Others build entire brand accounts around them. You can create travel content, fashion content, fitness content, educational content, product promotions, character-driven social media brands. The possibilities are honestly pretty wild. And because your character is consistent, every piece of content feels like it's coming from the same person, which is exactly what makes branding work. Here's the thing. Most people watching this video will think, wow, that's really cool. And then they'll close YouTube and never try it. A smaller group will actually open the tools, experiment, make mistakes, learn the process, and create something. Those are the people who usually end up discovering opportunities everyone else misses. Whether you're building content, learning AI, growing a brand, or just experimenting with new technology, the best way to understand this stuff is to actually use it. And if this workflow gave you ideas for your own AI influencer or AI video content, you can check out Higsfield through the link in the description. You saw the full process in this video, so you can explore it for yourself and start building step by step. So if you found this helpful, hit subscribe, because every week on Fire Income, we're testing new AI tools, new workflows, and new ways creators are using AI in the real world, then sharing it with you so that you can be awesome. Drop a comment below and tell me, what niche would your AI influencer be in? Travel, fashion, fitness, business, or something completely different? And tell me what AI tool you want me to test next. I'll see you in the next one. Now go build something awesome. Today you learned how to create a consistent AI influencer using Nano Banana Pro and Sol V2. The tools are available, the workflow is simple. Now it's your turn to see what you can create. See you in the next video. Oh,